Friends, let me give you a small example of how the opposition treats professionals and how the NDA does. Congress is such a shameless party that they will sacrifice and any hard-working person on the altar of factional politics. Many years ago, in the battle between the I faction and A faction, the career of a patriotic scientist, Nambi Narayan, was destroyed. That is why, even though they do try, not many professionals relate with UDF. In NDA, see the place of pride Metroman Sridharan has got. Today, he is emerging as an inspiration for so many professionals. In his career, he did so much for India. Now, he wants to give back to Kerala. Friends, under LDF, there is a total hartal on governance in Kerala. The people here are talented and hardworking, but the LDF government has failed to show any forward-looking vision to solve their problems. The Kerala government neither has innovative development initiative, nor does it spend resources allotted by the center for the welfare of the people. This is happening in many sectors, including health, infrastructure, road construction, disaster management, and more. Even works happening due to multilateral frameworks are not taken seriously. Friends, Thiruvananthapuram is a fast-growing urban center. In fact, entire Kerala's urban population is rapidly rising. For the work hours LDF and UDF, this is a challenge. But we see this as an opportunity. Rapid urbanization means there is a necessity for rapid urban transformation, which we are doing. To start with, we have addressed the challenge of poor housing facilities through PM Awas Yojana. This initiative has ensured sanction of 1.11 crore affordable housing in urban areas across India. These houses which are being built are in line with local requirements. Through the Jal Jeevan Mission, we are working to ensure tap water connection to the houses. I am sad to share that the attitude of the Kerala government towards this initiative is not positive. That is why it is important for Kerala to have an NDA government. Friends, let me share a fact with you. When our government was formed in 2014, only 5 cities had metro services. Today, 18 cities have metro rail service. In a decade before 2014, only 225 kilometers of metro line was operational. More than 450 kilometers of metro network has been commissioned in the last 6 years. A rapidly urbanizing state like Kerala needs NDA delivery-centric approach, not delay-centric approach of UDF and LDF. Friends, I am aware that cyclones and floods have caused much damage and destruction across Kerala. Our government creating a strong disaster management system. This system will be powered by technology, latest innovations, and involving local communities. We cannot prevent the next natural disaster, but we can surely be well prepared all the time. Friends, the NDA government is making a serious effort to increase the usage of technology among people. Our GEM Trinity of Janadhan, Aadhaar and Mobile had led to large savings. The center is working on ensuring high-speed internet and fast public Wi-Fi in both urban as well as rural centers. These steps will boost ease of doing business and ease of living. Our initiatives like the Startup India program, Mudra loans and more are helping the youth in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. I would also like to assure our fishermen that the NDA government will always safeguard their interest. Our PM Matsya Sampada Yojana is a comprehensive scheme to modernize the sector. Friends, our focus is also health and education. In the last 7 years, numbers of IITs, IIMs have increased. We want to encourage medical and technical education in local languages. This will help the youth. Friends, you gave UDF and LDF many years. They only let you down. In a year, independent India turns 75. The next 25 years will be crucial for us. Bless the NDA so that we can work hard and create the Kerala you dreamed of. Thank you for coming and joining this rally. Thank you very much. Namaskaram.